guys, how you doing? Good evening, happy Sunday, happy Monday, whatever time you're watching this video. So the last video I posted was the preparation about going for a picnic, and so this one you're going to be watching is just all about the picnic. I just want to run through the video. So we went to Ocean Beach. I said Ocean Park. Ocean Beach, Ocean Park, either ways, Ocean is Ocean Cha. Don't mind me. So we went to Ocean Park in Newcastle, and it has a beach behind it. It's a beautiful park. It has a lot of things everywhere. In fact, so the more money you have, the more enjoyment for you. So when we get to the park, you have to get a card. So we got a card, and it was the card that we were using to do all the games, all the rides. I think we bought like 200, like a point. So you have to buy it on the card. You have to buy points on the card. I think we bought like £200 worth of points. So it was what we used in riding and all. I couldn't really do much because of Romy, but the kids really enjoyed themselves. They had fun. My husband was with them all through. Everyone had fun. Our friends had fun. We had lots of fun. Then after the park, we went to the beach. Then after the beach, we came back to our house. So that was basically all. And if you find yourself in Newcastle, you know where we are, like, it's a new environment for us, or so it's so we are still getting to know the area. And so if you just find yourself around, find yourself in Middlesbrough, in Newcastle, you can just go to South Beach Ocean Park. That's the name. I got the name right now. So I was planning to just write the name when I'm done with this video, but I got South Beach Ocean Park. It's the Newcastle. It has a lot of things, like a lot. We couldn't even finish all the games, all the rides. We couldn't finish it all because it was getting late and it was getting cold. So we just had to we had to run away. So we had to run away, and we all had fun. That's the sweetest part of everything. We all had fun. You know, now I told you guys, I'm not this kind of person. I don't like going out. I love the comfort of my home. But there's this saying, we've gotten to that state that you have to start living now. If you don't live now, when do you want to start living? So we are just making use of every opportunity we have with our kids now. See all these kids, everybody's in transit. They will go, one of these days they will go. They will just say, "Mommy, I'm going out with my friends." And you'll be like, "Oh my God, what's happening?" So this moment you have for all your family together, why not just create memories, have fun with them? And very soon, when she's a teenager, now she'll be telling me that she's Mommy, I'm going to summer camp. And so we're just trying to just live the moment. That's just what we're doing. We just want to live the moment. We want to be happy. And the truth is this, I have never been this, for the past 5 years, I have never been this happy like I was this last outing. Because, you know, for like 2 years, we've just been traveling around from one country to another, and we've not really settled. So coming to the UK, it's a kind of settlement for us, and thank God for His mercies. Everything has been great. Let me just say, everything has been great. So I just told my husband, see, we have to start living now, and that's it. Thank God for our friends that suggested the picnic, and thank God for them. That's why they say always have good company. Your company determines how far you go in life. That's the truth. So let me leave you guys to watch the video now. So guys, see you later in my next video. I have a lot of videos and I've been holding for you guys. So I'm going to be posting them. Let me say the truth. I'm going to be posting them, and may God help me. May God help me. So I'm going to be posting a lot of videos. Watch and enjoy, and let me know what you think. One thing I've learned about kids over time is no matter how anxious they are about any particular event, just know that when you get to that event, it's either they sleep when you get to the event, or they sleep when you're almost at the event. So we are almost there. We're just like a few minutes away, and we want to stop at Lidl just to get some item.
Tony. Minister Adébálógun ṣe kọ́ mi nìyẹn. Tí mọ́tò bá ti stop. Ó dà bẹ́ẹ̀.
Kí ni wọ́n ń kó wọ́n fẹ́?
Me, I want orange juice.
Àwọn ọmọ ń kọ́.
Ọmọ kan tó máa get fún àwọn ọmọ. Ó pọ̀, fine boy.
ìyàwó ẹ̀ ló ṣe ń jealous ẹ̀ àbí kí la máa pè.
Olúwa. Ṣé ti rí Newcastle? Ṣé rí pé Castle ló fi pàdé yín ta?
Take the next left onto Beach Road, A183.
Mommy, it looks like
Yes.
a real castle.
It looks like a real castle.
It's so very big and pretty.
The next option.
Yeah, we are there.
Wow.
Actually, there's a beach at the back.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Look, it's so cute already.
Mommy,
Look, it's so cute. Yeah. We're finally here. Looking so nice and cute. Who is ready for some adventure? Are you ready? Xander, are you ready?
Yeah.
We're all ready to explore.
Now cover it for now. Let me cover it.
Play game. Mama, see yourself. You know, better not fall like me.
Oh, like cowboy. Let's try this one. Don't want this one.
Oh no, Ben, don't take us a model to
Don't want this
fair.
one.
There's a tomato to turn leo.
Let's go. Wanted to take the boat ride, but we couldn't because of Romy. So I want to go and drop Romy now, so we can take the boat ride.
It's called a fear.
Yeah?
A fear.
A fair is not a roller coaster. Come on, ride on, Zedra. Come on. Why are you doing like a cockroach? Why are you standing like a cockroach?
Go inside, go inside.
Let's go on the roller coaster. Roller coaster. Man, we have family meeting. Family.
I'm going down. Why does she go down?
I'm on the top of the world.
That's the bench there.
I'm on top of the world. In front of the ground. Ew. Ew. Kind of a funny. Guys, it's so fun to be here. It's fun for me. No stress zone.
Daddy, I want to build a sand.
Are you enjoying the ride?
Yes, so.
Sandra,
Sandra, let's take a ride.
are you enjoying yourself?
We have. That's what you're doing. You're going to that one. Which is still length.
All of it. We're about to go on the boat ride. The boat cruise. Let's go. This is the boat ride. They didn't allow me to come on it with my babies, so I have to drop Ruby. So here we go.
Make sure your hand is there. Let me be real. But oh, Mom, I'm like, that was not nice. It was too high.
I'm not wet. Shit.
Let's go.
That experience was not nice. Even like that day. The boat experience was not actually a nice one. See on my face, I'm so wet. It looks so scary. I'm still having palpitation. Pop, 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 pop. But it was all fun and nice. Now let's play a game. Now let's play that. Change, don't go by. Who is going to win the girls, right?
It's boys. We're not going now. We're going to win them. We're going to be boys against girls.
One way, wheel truck only please. Drive all your cars in the same direction. Drive your cars in the same direction please. No, just give it over. Just give it over. Just give it over. He's alright, but just give it over. One way, please. One way only. Drive all your cars in the same direction. Remember, drivers, keep dodging. Keep on dodging. One way around. Keep on dodging. One way around. There's one way around the track, please. One way only. Around the outside for the faster ride. Yes, thank you for riding drivers, thank you. If you can exit to the right side, please, your right side of the track, thank you.
Daddy fífẹ́ àti fífẹ́ ẹ máa yan gbé yín bí báyìí o. Mọ́mí ẹ̀rọ a máa tẹ o. Yes o, mọ́mí wà ní fọ́ọ̀n.
Ó dẹ̀ wà necessary yóò lè máa.
Ọmọ mú ìyá rẹ̀, ìyá mọ́mọ́ rẹ̀, ẹ̀yà máa tì í bọ̀. Ẹ̀bọ̀. Jalo. So we're out of the park. We're just at the beach now, just to come and see what's happening. The beach is just at the back of it's just behind the park. So we're here with our friends. What's that, Tedra? Ugal. Tedra. Don't put sand in your hair. Tó bá tẹ̀ fi sí o máa tú náà ni. Ah.
Oh my God. You build castles with it like this. You build castle like this.
Ah, fífẹ́ torí Ọlọ́run.
Nǹkan tí wọ́n máa fi ń dọ̀tí 247 nìyẹn.
Torí Ọlọ́run, daddy ẹ fẹ́ kó ṣe dread.
Wọ́n máa ta lóhùn. Wọ́n ti máa fa lọ́wọ́ fún
Ayé máa fà ó fi tẹ̀. Ó fi tẹ̀.
Every adventurers are taught to go. They love the cool.
Are you sure?
You will stop.
Let's go.
See this place. See this place.
Let's go back. Come here. You can make a dance class very well.
You don't see this place. So if you don't want to
Because I know that you
You can make a very good castle. A very good sand castle. Different layers.
Let's go back.
Ṣọ́ṣà jẹun. That means they won't consider yes. Ọmọ mi ronú ayé.
Ire.
Hope you all had fun.
Please go and bring that toilet roll. Bring that toilet roll.
I know he's sitting
Kí
over
tí ẹ máa bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ fún ọmọ àjà mi náà. Gbogbo orí ẹ̀yìn yẹn
Òtútù àdé irun tá a máa tún ní wíìkì torí kò sí mo lè fọ mo bá ṣe lè clean ẹ bó ṣe wáyé. Ọlọ́jọ́ pé crochet ni lẹ́yìn káyọ̀.
Ìgbẹ́ni gbórí dúró kéèyàn gbọ̀n tá a bá délé.
Is that okay?
Àwọn èèyàn ṣì wà lórí kíní ìṣá.
Táwọn kan ṣe lọ làwọn kan máa
So,
dé.
Daddy fẹ́ kí ni mí ní gbogbo ìyẹn báyìí.
We're done with the picnic now and we're going home. See you all in my next video. Bye.
Tegra, come this side. Tegra, come on.